Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to log in non-custom mode in Xerox WorkCentre 5875 machine. The machine is now in a sleep mode. To wake up the machine, click power button. Now machine is ready to do any job. To log non-custom mode, we need to click star hash and stop button all together for a moment. Now you can see login screen there. As login password, use 6, 7, 8 and 9 and finally enter to login. Now you are in non-custom mode. In this mode, we can change any NVM values relevant to any service or we can check motors, sensors or any other checking operation can be done. After some changes made, you need to click close button. When it click close out button, we have three options. When it click exit only, machine is going to its normal mode. When it click exit and reboot button, machine is reboot in itself.